Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by verifying power and connections because unstable voltage causes crashes. Once done, boot into safe mode and run to remove old drivers, then install the latest driver cleanly. Next, run a short stress test for 5 to 10 minutes while watching temps and fan speed so you can see immediate failures. If hardware errors appear, note error codes. This helps guide the next steps. Make sure to record baseline behavior before changing settings. Now you adjust the GPU to improve stability. Reduce the power limit by 5 to 10% and drop core clock in small steps because overheating and power spikes often trigger crashes. Once adjusted, inspect the card physically, reseat it, clean contacts, and ensure case airflow is unobstructed. Then check VRM and memory temps while testing. If instability persists, swap slots or try the card in another system to isolate motherboard or PSU faults. This separates software from hardware causes. To finish, address thermal and firmware sources of failure. Reapply quality thermal paste and ensure thermal pads are intact because poor heat transfer causes intermittent crashes. Once thermals are fixed, update the motherboard BIOS and chipset drivers. These updates can resolve PCIe or power management bugs. Finally, test with a known good PSU or different system. If crashes persist despite clean drivers and cooling, prepare for warranty RMA. If an issue
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.